Throughout history, buildings have changed to address social needs. A dramatic example, the advent of the skyscraper a century ago, which exploited the new technology of steel framing to overcome the shortage of real estate in teeming American cities.
Once air conditioning and high-intensity electric lighting came about in the mid to early 20th century, architecture got somewhat lazy, I would say. You could now build concrete boxes or glass boxes, in most cases more like concrete boxes that excluded a lot of daylight. And modern architectural design is now very much concerned with indoor air quality due to the buildings being sealed boxes. Yet, throughout history, passive ventilation as well as the natural daylight were what they had to work with, and they did a very good job with it.
Today's building industry is entering another era of change, with a view toward minimizing a different kind of footprint, the carbon footprint and environmental impact of commercial and residential buildings.
What we're seeing now is, with modern lighting sources and a combination of well-engineered daylighting, such that you're not turning the building into a solar oven, as can happen with improper daylighting practices. We're reducing the electrical loads in high-performance buildings by nearly 70% over their contemporaries of only 20 to 30 years ago.
Graybar, a leading distributor of electrical, communications, and data networking products, offers a complete range of proven energy-saving solutions that can help facility owners reduce costs and meet environmental goals.
Graybar's comprehensive energy platform, Graybar PowerSmart, was born out of an internal initiative to really promote our stewardship of our resources and our environment. So every offering of Graybar PowerSmart really was initially tested and tried internally. So those range from power management, power reliability, lighting controls, automation, drives, renewables. So it's a broad offering to serve every market and every need out there.
Graybar PowerSmart offers energy-efficient solutions for new construction and existing facilities. These solutions can help reduce energy use and decrease environmental impact, while often offering a quick return on investment.
Customers are challenged with, I would really like to do an energy project, but I have no idea where to start. And that's where Graybar can step in and help you identify those areas. They really benefit in two ways. Certainly it's an upgrade to their facility. It helps it operate more efficiently, which in turn helps the environment and increases all of our efforts. The second way is those savings dollars drop right to the bottom line. There isn't really an energy project out there that doesn't ultimately have a return on investment. And year over year, the customer can realize those savings and factor them back into reinvesting in their business, taking on other energy efficiency improvement projects. So there are a variety of reasons why customers should consider and really need to consider looking at these.
To learn more, the Shades of Green team traveled to Tucson, Arizona. The Tucson branch is Graybar's first ever branch facility built to LEED Gold specifications. The 55,000 square foot facility features many of the green technologies Graybar distributes to its customers, including solar panels, energy-efficient lighting, and solar charging stations, among other products.
Adding solar technology to an already efficient building simply helps increase the return on investment. It is not the first step. Typically, you would do other measures first, such as energy-efficient lighting, better insulation, that type of thing. But when you add solar, it adds a new dimension. It produces the power on site, uses it closer to where it's being produced, which avoids losses, and ultimately gives you free power once the system is paid for in return on investment.
Intelligent energy solutions not only reduce energy consumption, but also reduce maintenance costs and safety, while increasing equipment reliability and improving employee productivity.
One of the things that we do is quite often is energy audits for our customers. We'll go to their facility, we'll go through and check on their lighting, their energy usage. We work with our manufacturers to do this. We come up with hard numbers so the customers can actually see real numbers, not just ideas. And we deliver to them ways that they can save both on lighting, on their electrical bills, which will help out on their HVAC as well.
Lighting accounts for anywhere between 16% and 37% of the energy used, depending on the facility being measured. Updates to lighting not only save energy costs, but also improve overall employee well-being.
Most of the buildings in the United States today were constructed prior to 1980, and a great many of those have never been renovated. So there's significant opportunity just around the lighting industry itself. Everyone has heard about the innovation of LED. Those costs are continually coming down, and the life of the LED itself is continually expanding. So in many cases, when a facility converts to LED, they're never going to redo that lighting again, at least for that facility owner's career.
Graybar believes that selecting the right solutions today can set you on a path to the future where energy cost is not just an expense item, but instead is a key performance indicator for your facility and your overall business success.
When we see that Graybar is part of the construction team, as part of the contractor's supply chain, it gives us a high level of confidence that they'll be providing the equipment and the accessories that are specified as part of our high-performance building designs. Graybar understands that by the time the design has reached the bidding and construction phases, these projects have been highly engineered and the product specifications are exactly the way they are to make that building the high-performance product that the end user expects.
For more information, visit www.graybar.com or call 1-800-GRAYBAR.